Example number 7. Figure shows the arrangement of desks in a classroom. Madhuri, Meena, Pallavi are seated at 3 points respectively. Do you think they are seated in a line? Give reasons for your answer. Seated in a line or not? First take given points, 3 points. A, B, C. Madhuri, Meena, Pallavi seated at 3 points. Given points take. The distance between the points A, B is ax1 y1, b x2 y2 is ab equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute values. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. 6 minus 3 3 square. 4 minus 1 3 square. 3 square 9. 3 square 9. Root 18. 9 into 2 written as 18 written as 9 into 2 root 9 3 3 root 2. The distance of points BC x1 y1 x2 y2. Write formula, substitute the values. 8 minus 6 whole square plus y2 6 minus 4 whole square. 8 minus 6 2 square. 6 minus 4 2 square. 2 square 4 2 square 4 8. 4 into 2 root 4 2 root 2 units. AB complete to BC complete to CA or AC, anyone. Same, both are same. The distance of points C x1 y1 A x2 y2 is, write the formula, substitute the values. 3 minus 8 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. 3 minus 8 minus 5 square. 1 minus 6 minus 5 square. Minus 5 square 25. Minus into minus plus minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 into 5 25. 25 plus 25 50. Root 50 written as 25 into 2. Root 25 value 5. Root 25 equal to 5. 5 root 2. AB plus BC, here condition. AB equal to 3 root 2. BC equal to 2 root 2. AC equal to 5 root 2. Here 2 root 2, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2, 5 root 2. No? AB plus BC. AB plus BC equal to CA or AC. Here in this case 3 points A, B, C. Condition AB plus BC equal to AC. 3 points lie on a same line. Same line. A condition satisfied. AB plus BC equal to AC. 3 points lie on a same line. Already we know that 3 points lie on a same line. The points are collinear. We can say that the points A and A comma B and C are collinear points. They are seated in a line. They are seated in a line. Problem number 10. Problem number 10. Find the point on the x-axis. On the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9. 2 points. Suppose one point, it is suppose one point P which is equidistance, same distance. Equidistance means same distance. First given points A, B. First let the given points A, B. A 2 comma minus 5, B minus 2 comma 9. Find the point on the x-axis. This point on the x-axis. Any point lie on x-axis. Y coordinate 0. Y coordinate 0. Point on x-axis y coordinate is 0. X is take x. X is x. Y 0. Y point on x axis. Point on y axis. You take 0 comma y. You take point on x axis x comma 0 compulsory. Why? Let the point on x axis is p x comma 0. Suppose given point on y axis p 0 comma y. Okay. Next given points a b take according to problem. Which point this point on x axis which is p is equidistant from minus to AB from AB. This meaning AP equal to BP. Equidistance. AP equal to BP. AP distance is equal to BP distance. AP distance equal to BP distance, which is equidistance. AP equal to BP. According to problem, AP equal to BP. Why? Which is equidistance. AP equal to BP. AP means the distance of points A comma A P. The distance of points B comma P. AP equal to BP. The distance of A 2 comma minus 5 and P x comma 0 is equal to equidistance equal the distance of B minus 2 comma 9 P x comma 0. Formula, distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Formula, x2 x minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 minus 1, take small whole square equal to, here formula, y2 x2 x minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 9 whole square, x minus 2 whole square 0 minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 0 plus 5 square minus into minus x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 minus 9 0 minus 9 whole square. Here both sides, squaring on both sides. For remove root, squaring on both sides, both sides. Why? Remove for square root, both sides, squaring on both sides. Square root cancel. Here also square root cancel. Remaining x minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square formula, x minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2 a plus x, b plus 2, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Which formula? A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formulas. Here a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a plus x, b plus 2, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This one complete. Plus 5 square 25 equal to same, a plus b whole square, a square plus a plus x, b plus 2, a square plus b square 2 square plus 2ab, a plus x, b plus 2 plus minus 9 whole square, minus 9 into minus 9, minus into minus plus 9 into 9 81, x square plus 2 square 4 minus 2 into 2 4x plus 25. Here x square 2 square 4, 2 into 2 4x plus 81. Here having equal. Here same signs plus x square cancel, same x square cancel. Why? Plus x square becomes minus x square, plus to minus cancel, anyone correct. X square, this is the equal, same signs are cancelled, plus x square cancel. Next plus 4 cancel. Next 4 remaining, 4x plus 81, this one shifted LHS to RHS, minus 4x becomes plus 4x, plus 25 becomes minus 25, all are transferred equal to 0, 4x plus 4x 8x, plus 81 minus 25 plus 56 equal to 0, plus becomes minus 1, 8x equal to minus 56, x equal to minus 56 into becomes by minus 56 by 8, 8 ones 8 sevens, x equal to minus 7. The required point, the required REQI or required point equal to P x comma 0. This is the let x value minus 7 comma 0 is the answer. This point lie on x axis. Suppose any point lie on y axis, 0 comma P 0 comma y.